Hi, this is Tony. Welcome to my repair video for the Classy American Quilt Design Wall. So to get this unit apart, it's pretty simple. You pull out right there and pull out right there, and that releases the fascia. And then push it back. And then you'll notice over here, there is a release lever. So just push that up to that position, and that releases your roller. There you go. Now you can come in here and hit some studs. You can screw this up to the ceiling or up to underneath some cabinets if you'd like. And then to put it back together, you simply slide this into that groove. Make sure the chain is straddling that. So when you slide the roller back into its slot, make sure that chain isn't down here with this chain and that it's straddling that little tit. And then this little tit right here is the only problem. Sometimes during shipping, this will break off. If that happens, you take a screwdriver, pop that out. I send you a new one, pop it back in, and that little plastic thing rests in this groove right here, and then it locks in like that. So make sure that it's like that. That little tit slides in there, locks back in. Now, when you put your fascia back on, this little groove here goes on the bracket there and there on both sides. And then before you push it down and clip it on, make sure it's not overlapping this little plate like that. It has to, you have to be able to see the top of that, the ridge of that plate before you snap the fascia back on. Thank you very much.